In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank account in Google AdSense. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter your details so your payments can flow smoothly to your bank. Start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Ads. This takes you to the billing area that's connected to your Google Payments profile, which many Google products, including AdSense, use for managing payment methods. Make sure you're using the correct Google account for the site or channel you want to get paid for, and that you have permission to manage billing on this account. Once you're in, look for billing in the main navigation. Opening billing gives you access to your account's payment settings, charges, and methods on file. From there, go to payment methods. This page lists anything you've already added and is where you'll add a new bank. Click Add Payment Method. You'll see a form where you can provide your bank account information. Take a moment to confirm your country and currency are correct at the top of the page, because available options and verification steps can vary by region. Enter your bank name exactly as it appears with your bank. This helps Google and your bank identify the account correctly. Then enter your bank account number carefully. Type it slowly and double check each digit. In some countries, you may be asked for an IBAN or a routing or sort code. If you see those fields, use the details from an official bank statement or your bank's app to avoid typos. If you want this bank to be used first for payments, select Set as Primary Payment Method. Setting a primary method ensures Google prefers this account for charges or payouts associated with your profile. If you already have another method on file, you can still keep it as a backup. When everything looks correct, click Save. Depending on your region and bank, Google may instantly verify the account, or you may be prompted to complete a quick verification later, such as confirming small test deposits. If you're asked to verify, keep an eye on your bank activity over the next few days and return here to confirm the amounts. That's it. You've added your bank account. As a tip, make sure the legal name on your payments profile matches the name on the bank account to prevent holds, and consider keeping a secondary payment method on file for continuity. If something doesn't match or you see an error, revisit the form and confirm every field against your bank's official details before trying again.